Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and today I am going to start a discussion on AWS. In the previous session we talked about the different cloud providers which you can see in front of you, and I hope you have watched the previous session where I have discussed these stuff. So let's talk about Amazon Web Services. So Amazon Web Services is a cloud computing service provided by Amazon itself, and these services are accessible over the internet. And because AWS provides infrastructure as a service, it's our flagship offering. We can create and deploy any type of application in the cloud on top of Amazon's provider. And the best part here is the subscription, or pay as you go type. You use less and you pay less, and only for what you have used. You use more, you pay more, but it's still less per unit for the service. Use attractive, isn't it? So now let's talk about the life cycle of the cloud computing solutions. So life cycles of the cloud computing solutions I will be discussing in the next video. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.